Hacking school discipline together, hack 4. We look at all the places and times in the school that seem to engender student misbehavior, coming in and out of the building, going to lunch, waiting in line at lunch, cleaning up after lunch, going to recess, moving through the hallways. All those places where the students may be asked to use some tentatively held impulse and behavior skills to manage through somewhat the chaos of the school building. So one of the things we first do in this hack, in which we actually think structures before skills, is the staff works together to identify those places in this particular school where they know they could do better by the students and ease everyone's anxiety as going into those places. The second part of this hack then is that the staff brainstorms all of the things they've seen in all of their careers and times and things they do in their own settings that help students navigate these difficult times. For instance, waiting online at lunch is a time when kids get in a lot of difficulties. In a lot of schools, we don't have students wait online so long at lunch, and we have them do different activities at their tables, thus decreasing the amount of time they are waiting to eat. They're hungry, they want to get through that so they can go outside and play, to set up for students to misbehave. So we're going to look at routines and protocols, and we're going to look at ones in particular that we want everyone to do the same. It's how staff supports each other and has each other's backs. For instance, a common one is don't have your kids leave the classroom until the bell rings or until it's a certain time. That's one we should all do together to support each other. But there are lots of things that we're going to leave to the discretion of the teachers in each classroom. For instance, when students in my class are done with their work, we should have a protocol of what they do so they're not always asking and interrupting. But what they do in my classroom and how we manage that space might be different for people in different classrooms. So that's one we'll leave to the discretion of the teachers. We're going to come back to this notion of what needs to be uniform and what needs to be left to the discretion of the teachers when we start looking at the specific behavioral issues that teachers manage in their class in Hack 5.